Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the printer is powered and in range, and you note the Canon model and current SSID so you know exactly what to remove. Next, make sure you have router admin access or the mobile device used previously to configure the printer. This saves time. Choose your method now. Either erase wireless settings directly on the printer or remove the printer from the router's client list. Each approach changes where you act, so pick one and we'll proceed. Once done, on the printer use the LCD or control panel to open network or wireless settings. You'll see options like disconnect, remove Wi-Fi, or wireless LAN setup. Navigate to those. Choose disconnect or remove Wi-Fi and accept confirmation prompts. This deletes the SSID entry. If you want a clean slate, use restore network defaults. That clears stored SSIDs and saved passwords so the device won't auto-rejoin. Make sure to wait for the confirmation message. The printer may restart. If you chose the router route, log into the router admin page and open the connected devices or client list. Find the Canon by hostname or MAC address and delete or block it. You can also add an access control rule to prevent that MAC from reconnecting. Once removed, power cycle both printer and router to ensure the lease clears. If it still appears, double-check the MAC address and, as a last resort, perform a factory reset on the printer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.